Hey guys, what's going on? So I don't do content like this very much, but I am a troubleshooter and I like to help people learn. So this is a Dodge Journey key. This is a 2017 Dodge Journey key, and I was asked actually how to open this up. So there's a little tab on the back. You're gonna pull that down and pull the key out itself, and you can actually use the key to bust it open, just like that. Oops, if I don't drop it in the video. Comes apart, and it takes a so the battery it takes is a 2032. That is what you'll need for this, and then you just snap it back into place. Well, if it'll snap. Sometimes it can be stubborn. There we go. And then you just insert the key back, and you're ready to go. And that's how you replace the key in a 2017 Dodge Keyfob. So, thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoy content like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about these keys or anything else with the Dodge Journey, comment below and I'll try to get to them.